GPTs are custom versions of ChatGPT that users can create for a specific purpose or task. GPTs are a new way for anyone to create a custom version of ChatGPT to be more helpful in their daily life at specific tasks, at work, or at home, and then share it with others. These GPTs can be accessed from the GPT store. You need a ChatGPT Plus subscription to access the store. All GPTs are free to explore, but some may have paid versions that unlock certain features if you pay for a premium account. To access the GPT store, click on Explore GPTs on the left side. The store is divided into sections. The featured section shows the top picks from this week. The trending section shows the most popular GPTs among the community. By ChatGPT section shows the GPTs made by OpenAI team. The GPTs are also listed based on topics like writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming, education and lifestyle, etc. You can browse through the topics by scrolling down or clicking on the topic in the top navigation bar. Each section only shows 6 GPTs. If there are more than 6, you will see a See More button below that section. Click on the See More button to expand the section. Other than the sections created by OpenAI, the best method to find a specific GPT is the search feature. You can search for a GPT by name or by description keyword. For example, to find game time bets, enter game time bets. To search by keyword, enter bets and scroll through the list. This helps to find relevant GPTs and explore their options without needing to know the names of existing GPTs. You can see a brief description and the number of conversations the GPT has. This will help you to choose a more established GPT. For a detailed description and other features, click on the GPT. A pop-up box opens which shows the details of the GPT. Below the GPT name, you can see the name of the builder followed by any links provided by the builder, for example, website, LinkedIn, etc. Click on the link to open it. It is opened in a new tab. Below that is a detailed description of what you can do using the GPT. Below the description, ratings, category, and conversations are displayed. If the GPT has ratings, number of ratings, and the rating is displayed first. Then, if the GPT is given a rank in a particular category, rank and category are displayed, else only category is displayed. Next, number of conversations for the GPT are displayed. Conversation starters, capabilities, ratings, and GPTs developed by that builder are listed below that. Using a GPT. For example, let's use Diagrams Show Me GPT to draw a donut chart. Click on Diagrams Show Me. To start a conversation using the GPT, click on Start Chat. The name of the GPT you are using is displayed on the top. It is a drop-down with the list of actions you can do related to that GPT. To start a chat, enter the question in the message box and click on Send Message. For example, to create a donut chart using the Diagrams GPT, enter this prompt, click on Send Message. If the GPT is performing a third-party action like sharing information with an external site, you will be asked to review the action. Click on Decline if you don't want the GPT to share your information. It will stop processing. If you are okay sharing information, whenever you are using this GPT, click on Always Allow. Click on Allow if you are okay sharing the information only for this prompt. The GPT returns a donut chart. Sharing the chart. To share the chart, click on 3 dots beside the chart name on the left side and select Share. Or click on the GPT name on the top and select Share Chart. New chart. To start a new chart, click on the New Chart icon beside the GPT name in the sidebar. Or click on the GPT name on the top and select New Chart. Show Hide GPT in the sidebar. You can pin the GPT to the sidebar for quick access. Click on the GPT name on the top and select Keep in Sidebar to pin the GPT to the sidebar. The GPT is pinned to the sidebar. To hide the GPT in the sidebar, click on the three dots and select Hide from Sidebar. Or click on the GPT name and select Hide from Sidebar. The GPT is hidden. Rating a GPT. You can rate the GPT and leave a feedback. Click on the GPT name on the top and select Review GPT. Leave feedback pop-up is opened. If the builder has enabled receiving feedback, you will be able to share private feedback along with your rating. Select the rating you want to give, enter the feedback, check the email checkbox to include your email and click on Submit. Report on a GPT. If you feel that there is something wrong with the GPT, you can report it. Click on the GPT name on the top and select Report GPT. A pop-up opens showing 4 reasons listed. Select the reason and enter your comments in the text box and click on Submit. Privacy settings. The third-party actions which will be used when you are using this GPT are listed. You can select Ask or Always Allow. To allow third-party actions always, select Always Allow. To read the GPT's privacy policy, click on Privacy Policy. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.